जय श्री राम दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल भारत का गौरव में। आज की वक्त की चर्चा में तो आज ट्रंप जी के लिए धन्यवाद संदेश। थैंक यू डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। विद योर एफर्ट्स ब्रिक्स इज गेनिंग मोमेंटम। Brazil, India, Russia and China are seriously contemplating of getting together, and now imagine if India and China are able to forge their differences into strength, which is largely because of Ladakh, Tibet and Arunachal. What will happen to the US if half of the world's population stands against US? Half of the world's population decides not to use dollar and add to this the might of global south. US and NATO are about to get isolated in the global scheme of things if Trump mania doesn't stop. The way Trump is doing it, acting as a global bully, it is not helping the US, it's not helping the NATO, and definitely it's not helping Donald Trump. But I think he is too egoistic a person to see the benefits and losses of this war, and more importantly the damage that he is inflicting upon the US, creating recession, creating joblessness, creating higher inflation. All this he is doing in just 1 year of his tenure, and that's nothing less than a big achievement. So whatever he is trying to achieve, it is not working. It's clearly visible. But thanks to him, BRICS is taking form. India, Russia is already not trading in dollars. Now it's time for India and China to stop using dollars, and then India and Brazil. And if these three countries stop using one common dollar and invent a BRIC currency, imagine the power of negotiation in the world. And that currency can be a digital currency in today's world. It can be UPI, it can be anything that the world accepts. Global South and BRICS, and its end of trade, its end of US hegemony, its end of colonialism, so-called globalization, and of course the world will be a better place with little less exploitation, with little less monopolies, and a lot of local growth. So I think Donald Trump should be thanked for this major achievement that he has done for BRICS and for the world, making it a better place, even with this acts of stupidity. Thank you, Donald Trump.